Nothing that has happened in your life up until this point has been on accident. Everything that you've gone through has been for your growth. Everything. The good, the bad, and the ugly. The people that you've met have come into your life for reasons, their purposes, they're part of your assignment. Some of the people come to bring you lessons. Some people God uses to bless you. Some people God uses to encourage you, inspire you. Sometimes He sends people into your life with tangible items to bless you, or spiritual items, or whatever. And some people come with lessons, things that you have to learn as you continue on your journey, like how I'm on this journey. You know? Nothing is by accident. So you just have to learn to spend time alone and trust the journey. Trust everything and know that all of it's working for your good. Everything. And that even though right now it looks like I am completely alone except for the trees, I'm not really alone because God is here. He's omnipresent. He's here. He's where you are. He's in another part of the country, another part of the world. He's everywhere. And God's love is unconditional. He never looks at your mistakes and writes you off. If anything, He already knew that you were going to make those mistakes. And when things seem their absolute worst, that's just a prepping stage for the next blessing, you know? Look at the trees. Look at my hair. Yeah. So find a quiet place. Find somewhere where you can be at one with nature. Find somewhere where you can be at peace. Find somewhere where you don't have to worry about being judged or being liked or disliked. Just find somewhere where it's just you, God, and nature. And just listen to Him speak to your spirit. June is going to be an awesome month. A month full of miracles and blessings, and even when the challenges come, there's still going to be a blessing in the challenge. June is going to be an awesome month. Yeah, it's going to be an awesome month. So if you don't have a park near you, then go in your backyard, you know, or if just go somewhere where you can be amongst the trees and just experience the beauty of all that God created. And just know that if He created all this, including you, there's nothing too big for Him. And what the world says is impossible, it's a piece of cake to God. Yeah. So I agree with Marvin, my co-host. Nature is important. You know? Hmm. So find somewhere where you can be alone and just let the sun hit your face. Let the wind blow through you and just release all your stress. June is going to be an amazing month full of unexpected surprises and blessings and travel and gifts and unexpected twists and turns. All the ingredients for an awesome novel. All the ingredients for a perfect story. Yeah. Yeah. This is Patricia M. Goins signing off and saying, come get a little of this nature. Like Marvin says, go find you a tree. It's such a peaceful feeling. Enjoy your Saturday.